Feeling stressed, tired, or tight? Let's gently relax your whole body together. Welcome to my channel. Let's deepen this locust pose together. Inhale and lift a little higher. Lift your chest and legs, holding the pose to strengthen your back. Inhale, lift higher, hold the pose. Exhale and slowly lower down. Exhale, lower down. Swing your legs around to a seated position. Inhale and begin gentle arm circles. Exhale, lower down. Swing your legs around to a seated position. Inhale and begin gentle arm circles. Release neck and shoulder tension with a gentle seated side stretch. From locust pose, lower down. Extend your arm for a side tom circles. Lower down, come to a seated position. From locust pose, gently lower down. Come to a seated position for a side stretch. Lower down, come to a seated position. Lower down, come to a seated position. Exhale, lower down. Take tall, fold open. Relax your back and hips. Release into child's pose. Seated forward fold, lengthening the spine. Slowly lower down. Gently to your chest. Inhale, exhale and hold. Lower down. Exhale and lower down. Inhale, draw knees to chest. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, lower down. Inhale, gentle twist. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, hug your knees to your chest. Exhale, twist gently to the side. Release the pose, lower down. Roll onto your back, hug your knees to your chest. Release the pose, lower down. Roll onto your back, hug your knees to your chest. Hold the pose, finding stillness in your body. Inhale, filling your lungs completely. Exhale, slowly. Hold the stay. Find stillness in the pose. Inhale to lift, exhale to ground. Rest in the breath.
Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs.
And exhale, releasing any tension.
Hold the pose with a calm mind.
If you enjoyed it, please like to my channel for more gentle yoga and relaxation videos. See you in the next practice.